As we age, maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass becomes increasingly important, especially after the age of 60. Muscle loss can lead to decreased strength, reduced mobility, and a higher risk of falls or injuries. Preserving muscle not only supports daily activities, but also contributes to overall health and independence. Strong muscles help stabilize joints, improve balance, and enhance metabolic function. By focusing on muscle regeneration, older adults can enjoy a better quality of life and remain active for longer. Understanding the significance of muscle health is the first step toward making informed choices that support strength and vitality in later years. Enhancing your morning coffee with targeted ingredients can play a significant role in supporting muscle regeneration and boosting energy, especially as we age. By adding supplements such as collagen peptides, you provide your body with essential amino acids that aid in muscle repair and growth. Ingredients like MCT oil offer a quick and sustained source of energy, while cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels to prevent energy crashes. Incorporating protein powder delivers the building blocks necessary for muscle maintenance, and unsweetened cocoa powder can improve circulation, helping nutrients reach your muscles more efficiently. Other additions, such as turmeric with black pepper, nut butter, ground chia seeds, ginger, and maca root, each contribute unique benefits ranging from reduced inflammation to enhanced hormonal balance. Introducing these ingredients into your daily routine can help maximize the health benefits of your morning coffee, supporting strength and vitality after 60. Collagen peptides are a valuable addition to your morning coffee, especially for those looking to support muscle repair and joint health as they age. Collagen is the body's primary structural protein, providing essential amino acids that help rebuild muscle tissue and maintain flexible joints. Recent studies have shown that supplementing with collagen peptides can improve mobility and increase bone density in older adults. By incorporating collagen into your daily routine, you may experience enhanced recovery after physical activity and reduced joint discomfort. This simple addition to your coffee not only boosts its nutritional value, but also supports overall musculoskeletal health. MCT oil, or medium-chain triglyceride oil, is recognized for its ability to provide a rapid source of energy. Unlike longer-chain fats, MCTs are quickly absorbed and converted into fuel by the body, making them especially beneficial for older adults seeking to maintain steady energy levels. By supporting fat metabolism, MCT oil helps the body utilize stored fat more efficiently, which can contribute to overall vitality and endurance. Adding a teaspoon of MCT oil to your morning coffee can deliver sustained energy without the fluctuations often associated with sugar. This simple addition may help older adults avoid midday energy crashes and support an active lifestyle. Cinnamon is a powerful ingredient that can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it especially beneficial for those looking to maintain consistent energy throughout the day. By stabilizing blood sugar, cinnamon helps prevent the sudden energy crashes that can interfere with muscle recovery and daily activity. This steady supply of energy supports the body's natural repair processes, which are crucial for rebuilding muscle. Adding cinnamon to your morning coffee is a simple way to promote sustained energy and enhance your overall wellness. Its natural properties make it an excellent choice for anyone focused on muscle health and recovery, especially as we age. Unsweetened cocoa powder is a rich source of flavonoids, natural compounds known for their powerful health benefits. Flavonoids help improve circulation by supporting healthy blood flow, which ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to muscle tissues. This enhanced circulation can aid in muscle recovery and overall performance. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of flavonoids may help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, making unsweetened cocoa powder a valuable addition to your diet. Research has shown that regular consumption of cocoa can improve walking speed and decrease inflammation, particularly in older adults. By incorporating unsweetened cocoa powder into your morning routine, you can support muscle health and promote faster recovery after physical activity. Protein powder plays a significant role in supporting muscle repair and growth, particularly for older adults. Whey protein is especially beneficial because it is rich in essential amino acids, including leucine, which is crucial for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at rebuilding muscle, making adequate protein intake even more important. Adding a scoop of whey protein to your morning coffee can help ensure you're getting the nutrients needed for muscle maintenance and recovery. Research has shown that older adults who supplement with whey protein experience gains in muscle mass and improvements in balance. This simple addition to your daily routine can make a meaningful difference in overall strength and mobility. Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, largely due to its active compound, curcumin. This natural ingredient can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, making it particularly beneficial for those focused on muscle recovery. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. Combining turmeric with black pepper significantly enhances curcumin's absorption, allowing you to experience its full benefits. Studies have shown that this combination may lead to improved strength gains and faster recovery after exercise. Incorporating turmeric and black pepper into your routine can support overall muscle health and promote more efficient healing following physical activity. Nut butter, such as almond or peanut, is a simple yet effective addition to your morning coffee. It provides a source of healthy fats and protein, both of which are essential for muscle maintenance and sustained energy. The healthy fats found in nut butter help support cell function and keep you feeling full, while the protein assists in muscle repair and growth. By blending a tablespoon into your coffee, you enhance its nutritional value, making your beverage more satisfying and supportive of your fitness goals. This combination can be particularly beneficial for older adults looking to rebuild or maintain muscle mass. Additionally, the creamy texture and subtle nutty flavor can make your coffee more enjoyable. Ground chia seeds are a powerful addition to any diet, especially for those looking to support muscle health after the age of 60. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is crucial for muscle recovery and overall well-being. Chia seeds also provide a significant amount of fiber, aiding in digestion and helping to maintain stable energy levels. Their protein content supplies essential amino acids that contribute to muscle repair and growth. By incorporating ground chia seeds into your morning coffee or meals, you can enhance your nutritional intake and promote better muscle function. These benefits make chia seeds a simple yet effective ingredient for maintaining strength and mobility as you age. Ginger is well known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable addition to your morning coffee, especially for those seeking to reduce muscle soreness. Studies suggest that ginger can help alleviate inflammation in the body, which may contribute to faster recovery after physical activity. In addition to its benefits for muscle health, ginger also supports digestion by promoting the movement of food through the digestive tract and reducing discomfort. Incorporating a small amount of ginger into your coffee not only enhances its flavor, but also provides these health advantages. This simple addition can be particularly helpful for older adults looking to maintain muscle function and digestive wellness. Maca root is a nutrient-rich ingredient that offers a variety of benefits for older adults. It contains essential amino acids and vitamins that play a key role in supporting hormonal balance and maintaining steady energy levels. By adding maca powder to your morning coffee, you can help promote overall vitality and well-being. Research has shown that maca root may assist in reducing fatigue and improving stamina, making it a valuable addition to the diet as we age. Its natural properties can contribute to a more balanced mood and enhanced physical performance, supporting an active lifestyle after 60. When adding new ingredients to your morning coffee, it's best to start with small amounts. This approach allows you to monitor how your body responds and adjust the flavors to your preference. For ingredients like MCT oil or nut butter, blending is recommended to achieve a smooth and consistent texture. Gradually introduce 1 or 2 additions at a time rather than combining several all at once. This helps you identify which ingredients work best for your taste and digestion. If you have any existing health conditions, consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your routine. With these simple preparation tips, you can enhance both the nutritional value and enjoyment of your daily coffee. Before introducing new ingredients into your daily routine, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider, particularly if you have existing health conditions. Professional guidance can help ensure that any dietary changes are safe and appropriate for your individual needs. Certain supplements or additions may interact with medications or affect underlying health issues. By seeking medical advice, you can minimize potential risks and tailor your nutrition plan for optimal results. This proactive approach supports both your overall well-being and your muscle health goals. Adding specific ingredients to your morning coffee can play a significant role in supporting muscle rebuilding and overall health after the age of 60. Ingredients like collagen peptides and protein powder provide essential amino acids that aid in muscle repair and growth, while MCT oil and nut butter offer healthy fats for sustained energy. Spices such as cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger help regulate blood sugar and reduce inflammation, both of which are important for muscle recovery. Nutrient-rich additions like unsweetened cocoa powder, ground chia seeds, and maca root further enhance circulation, hormone balance, and nutrient delivery to muscles. By thoughtfully incorporating these ingredients, older adults can boost their strength, mobility, and energy levels, contributing to better health and quality of life. While adding beneficial ingredients to your morning coffee can support muscle rebuilding after 60, it's important to remember that these upgrades work best alongside a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods ensures your body receives the vitamins, minerals, and proteins necessary for optimal muscle health. Engaging in consistent exercise, such as strength training or walking, further stimulates muscle growth and helps maintain mobility. Together, these lifestyle choices create a strong foundation for muscle regeneration and overall well-being. By combining thoughtful nutrition with active living, you can maximize the health benefits of your daily coffee routine. Enhancing your morning coffee with targeted ingredients can be a simple yet effective way to support muscle rebuilding, boost energy, and promote overall well-being as you age. By experimenting with additions like collagen peptides, MCT oil, or protein powder, you may notice improvements in strength and vitality. Each person's needs and preferences are unique, so feel free to try different combinations to discover what works best for you. Remember, small changes can lead to meaningful benefits over time. With thoughtful adjustments to your daily routine, you can help maintain your health and enjoy greater mobility and energy in later life.